Hello everyone, welcome back to Grace Violin Tutorials. In the last video, we looked over the parts of the violin, so now I'm going to show you the different strings and how to tune them. So, as you can hear, my violin does not sound very good, so let's go ahead and try and tune it, and I'll walk you through it all. As I showed you before, we have our 4 tuning pegs, which are used for the coarse tuning, and then our fine tuning pegs, or just one fine tuner, for all our fine tuning of the strings. So I can tell that these strings just don't sound in tune, but unless you have perfect pitch, it might be kind of hard for you to tell how to tune them, whether they need to go up or down in pitch. So I would recommend getting a tuning app. If you do have access to a smartphone, you can really easily get a tuner for free on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. As you can see, I have the T1 tuner on this phone here. All right, and if I go into it, you can see that if I were to play a note, it would show me how out of tune it is, or if it's right on tune, it will turn green. So I'll just show you, there are these cute little buttons here where if you press, say, an E, you can see what it'll look like if it's in tune. It'll turn green and the line will go right down the middle. So now we're going to actually tune the strings. So we always want to start with the A string, which is the second thinnest string right here. All right, we're going to sort of draw our bow across it like this, and that is very flat. So we are going to take our tuning peg, which is the top one on the right, and we're gonna turn it up to make it sharp. And as you can see, that changed the pitch. So it's a little sharp now, which means it's a little too high. So we'll just turn the tuning peg down and keep adjusting it until we get the right pitch. Now we're going to go on to the D string. So after I stepped away, I went ahead and tuned all the strings using the big pegs to coarsely tune the strings, and then my little fine tuner here to get just the right pitch for the high E string. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the tuner and what it sounds like, and I should be pretty much within range. There we go. So in this video, we went over how to tune our strings using our tuners, our pegs, on our app on how to tune the strings. In the next video, we will learn what the different strings are and how to actually play them with the bow. Now in the future, it'll be very important that you always tune your strings before you start practicing every single time, because that will train your ear to know whether your strings are in tune or not. So thank you so much for watching the video today. If you would like to receive more videos in the future, please subscribe, and I can't wait to work with you in the future.